Good morning everybody. Today is Sunday, so I want to make something very delicious but with leftover vegetables since yesterday. I've got some corn, cheese and mushroom vegetable which I had used as stuffing for calzones. So I will be using this to make very delicious McDonald's type pizza puffs. Let us begin with the procedure. First of all, let us use the filling, corn and mushroom that we have. Let us make it little more delicious, and then we will make the pizza base. So take 1 teaspoon of butter, add 1 small onion to it. After we fry the onions till they turn light brown, we will add the vegetable to this. You can use any leftover vegetable that you have in the refrigerator. You can use matar aloo, matar paneer, or even you can use rajma, chana for the filling. Saute the onions until they turn light brown. Then you add the vegetable to this. Any leftover vegetable that you have. Add a little bit of more salt to this, little chili powder, mixed peppers to make it little more tasty. Since it is going to be a puff, थोड़ा और tasty कर लेते हैं. This is chili powder. Not much, very little, because already there are spices in this. Sauces are there. I will add oregano and little bit of salt. Little bit of salt because I am going to add something, some secret which will make it more tasty. So very little salt. And I am going to add dhania powder. Dhania is always welcome. You can add a full teaspoon also. I have this momo sauce. This gives very lovely taste. So I am going to use 1 tablespoon of momo sauce to give it a very yummy base. I have added 1 tablespoon of momo sauce. Now let it become nice and hot since I had removed it from the refrigerator, the vegetable. And then cover it and keep it. Then we can start making the base for the pizza. You can add little coriander leaves if you want, or palak leaves or pudina leaves, just to give it more color. So the filling is ready. Let us cover it and keep it and let it become cool. In the meantime, we can make the dough for the puff pastry. Now let us make the dough for pastry puff. This is maida. I have taken 1 cup. You can either fry the pastry or you can bake it. Today we are going to deep fry in oil, because today is a rainy day. As it is, you feel like having something nice and spicy. So let us make this puff pastry fried today. I have taken 1 cup of maida. This is Madam Maida. That's a nice brand. And then I have added little bit of just 1 teaspoon of rava to this. Just a teaspoon, so that it gives a nice crispy effect. Now to this I will add 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil or ghee, whatever you want to use. Little bit of salt, jeera and dhania powder, and knead it by adding slowly water and make a nice tight dough. I am adding salt, little bit of jeera and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I will be using oil. Now mix this up and slowly add water and make a nice dough out of it. It should not be neither very soft nor very hard. Medium. Mix the oil and the salt and jeera that you have added nicely. Then slowly start adding water and kneading it into a nice hard dough. Don't add too much water. Add water very slowly, drop by drop. Hardly added 2 teaspoons of water and it is binding well. It is neither soft nor hard. Nice dough. Knead it for some time, then keep it covered for 20 minutes so that it sets properly. Keep it covered for 20 minutes. See, after cooling down, the vegetable is just the right consistency. This will be easy to spread onto the roti that we make, the puff pastry that we make. Now let us start rolling out the pastry. Now cut the dough into 5 to 6 portions, equal portions, and make balls out of it. Now we will apply little dry atta if required, otherwise no need, and roll it on the roll. Should not be very thin, not very thick also. Now we'll cut off the sides and make it into an even rectangle. Cut the sides. This can be reused. Now I will cut it into half and make 2 portions. Made it into 2 portions. Now let us add the vegetable on 1 portion. This on that. And then close the edges by using a little oil or little water. The edges, you can use little water or just press them. I have just pressed them. Or you can apply water on the sides and then press it. And then give it some design at the ends all over. You can do it with a fork or with a knife. Similarly make the others and then let us try them. To deep fry today, so take cooking oil in a pan, heat it up. Once it is hot, check it. Yes, it is ready. So now we can put in the puff pastry. The edges properly, and then with a fork you can press the sides. It will give it a nice design, as well as it will close also properly. Now in oil, I've kept the oil gas medium. First do one side, then turn it over the other side. Place a spoon of vegetable. You press the sides. Either you can apply a little water and then press. I'm just pressing it as it is. It does get stuck together like this. And then I will take a fork and press it again. This will give it some design also, like this all over. Then whatever is extra you can cut it with a knife. Whatever you feel is extra you can cut, like this portion is extra, you can cut it. Similarly the other sides also, just check and cut. It is even on all sides. So now we will put it in oil. Just see how this fellow is doing. Yes, you have to be careful with the sides, otherwise the sabji will come out from the sides and the whole thing will spoil. No fun. Always make your food. The Indian version always is made on medium flame. It should not burn, but it should become crispy also. So keep on turning it after 1 to 2 seconds until all the sides evenly become crisp. I'm waiting for the last one to come. Very yummy pizza puffs are ready. Absolutely delicious, crispy, tasty. It's just right for the rainy day. It has got a lot of vegetables also. So it has fiber, plus your overnight vegetables are also used up. No wastage in the house, and this is going to be loved by elderly as well as the children. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot. Enjoy Sunday, enjoy this dish, enjoy rains, but do stay safe and take care. Eat healthy and enjoy yourself. Sometimes you can indulge into fried foods, only sometimes, occasionally, especially on a day like today, a rainy day. Thanks a lot. God bless you all.